What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a mod that the previous owner already did, but I need to redo it. You'll see that in a second, but first, let's get a cold start. Thumbnail, you probably know that this is what's getting replaced or fixed up. Currently, don't have one. Problem number one was the diff cover was orange or red. I'm not sure why. Problem number two is all of that orange or red was flaking off and it was kind of looking rusty and old and just gross. So that's what I'm replacing today. I'm actually not replacing, I'm taking it off, fixing it up, color matching it, and putting it back on. It looks awful. And you see these bolts. They're just kind of dirty and crusty. I want to get some nice stainless steel ones. So I took one out. We're going to go to Home Depot and I'm going to see if I can find one, because I don't know if these are stock length or not. Stainless steel bolts for the rear diff cover. M8, 1.25 by 25 length. Alright, these should be the same length as the ones I pulled out. Yep. Just a much nicer looking bolt. Forgot to mention, I also got some brand new stainless steel flat washers. I mean, look at that. Looks awful. Not to mention, even if the paint wasn't flaking off, it's orange. Why is it orange? Got more parts we needed. I'm guessing whoever had this before didn't tape anything off when they painted it, or somehow there's overspray of orange all over this. It's far from perfect, but really, without sandblasting it, I am not going to get that thing much better. I'm going to throw some coats of primer on it and see how that looks, and then we'll go from there. Surfaces are prepped and ready. Let's add some sealant. Dry, come back 1 hour. So I'm not sure why I left that in there, but the spare tire's still in here, which is obviously useless now. So I'm going to remove that. The problem is, this is where this is supposed to go to lower the spare tire. Also, a couple birdies made a home up here. We don't need that. Been an hour. Let's tighten down these bolts, finish this thing up. I know I'm losing daylight here, but my goodness, look at that thing. Such an improvement over the orange. The stainless steel bolts look pretty killer as well. Still got to put fluid in it, but I'll wait till tomorrow. I'm supposed to wait a day before filling it up, so I'll follow instructions. Next up under here, just some touch up. Gonna recoat the frame. It's not bad. It just needs a little touching up here and there. Make it look a little newer since it's been sitting outside for so long. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Got plenty more to come with this truck. So my third brake light isn't working, so I'm gonna look into that, see what's going on there. I don't know if it's the actual light itself. There's a fuse blown. I don't know. Let's see. Sorry for the noise. I'm just trying to let it run since it hasn't run in so long. So it looks like 15 center high mounted stop lamp. That is in here. No, that looks good. Looks fine. I don't know if you can see the test light or not. It's getting power and ground to the third brake light. I'm guessing the third brake light is just junk. So I'm gonna order a new one and that should fix it. Safety. That's probably why it wasn't working.